Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beginner English Hub. I am Maya.
And I am Leo. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Leo, are you hungry?
Maya, I'm always hungry. Why?
Because today we are talking about food, specifically how to order food at a restaurant in English.
Oh, that is a very important topic. Everyone loves to eat out, but ordering in a new language can be scary.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we will teach you simple phrases to order with confidence. You will sound polite and natural.
Before we start, please remember to follow or subscribe to our podcast. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Ready to learn? Let's go.
Okay, let's start with the basics. When you sit down at a restaurant, the first thing you need is the menu.
The menu. This is the list of food.
Usually, a menu has 3 parts. Maya, what is the first part?
The first part is the starter. Starter, sometimes called an appetizer. This is a small dish you eat before the big meal.
For example, a soup or a small salad. My favorite starter is garlic bread.
Yummy. After the starter, we have the main course. Main course. This is a big meal, like pizza, a burger, or pasta.
And finally, the best part, dessert. Dessert. This is something sweet you eat at the end, like cake or ice cream.
Okay, listeners, repeat after me. Starter. Main course. Dessert.
Good job. Now let's learn the magic phrase for ordering.
Yes, in English, we do not say, I want pizza. That is a little rude.
It is too direct. Instead, we use a very polite phrase, I would like.
Listen again. I would like.
Or you can use the short version, I'd like. I'd like.
Let's practice using it. Leo, pretend you are ordering.
Okay, I would like the chicken salad, please.
Perfect. Listeners, your turn. Say, I would like the chicken salad. Now, let's put this into a real conversation. We will do a role play,
I will be the waiter.
and I will be the customer.
Listen carefully to the conversation. We will explain it after. Hello, welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
Great. What would you like for a starter?
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Okay, and for the main course?
I'd like the cheese pizza. Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy.
Perfect. And can I have a bottle of water, please?
Certainly. I will bring that right away.
Did you hear the key phrases? Let's look at them closely.
First, the waiter asked, are you ready to order? This means, did you choose your food?
And I said, yes, I am. Simple, right?
Then, Maya used our magic phrase. She said, I would like the tomato soup.
Exactly. Then I asked a question about the food. I asked, is it spicy?
Spicy. That means hot or having strong flavor, like chili peppers. If you don't like hot food, this is a good question.
Listeners, repeat this question. Is it spicy?
And finally, Maya ordered a drink. She said, can I have a bottle of water, please?
You can say, can I have, or I would like. Both are perfect.
Let's try one more example. Imagine you want a burger. Say, can I have the burger, please?
Excellent work. You are doing great.
Okay, we finished eating. The food was delicious. Now we need to go home.
We need to pay. In a restaurant, the paper that tells you the price is called the bill or the check.
In the UK, they say bill. In the US, they often say check. Both are okay.
To ask for it, you can simply say, can we have the bill, please?
Let's practice that. It is very useful. Can we have the bill, please?
Great job today, everyone. Let's recap what we learned. Starter, main course, dessert. The parts of a meal.
I would like the polite way to order.
Is it spicy? Asking about flavor.
Can we have the bill? Ready to pay.
You learned a lot today. Next time you go to a restaurant, try to think of these English words.
Now, we have a question for you. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Our question today is, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Is it pizza, sushi, a burger?
My favorite is definitely pizza. I love extra cheese.
Tell us your answer.
Thank you so much for listening to Beginner English Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Happy eating.